Yay! Conga! Yay! Hooray! Oh god dang it! This is shit! Fuck, I gotta finish with bending the bullets.
Please help me.
Hello boys! As you probably recognize from the previous part, you recognize from the opening scene that bent bullets for finishing the job.
Law, you can't shoot me, IDC. You were gonna pay fish for what you did to me.
Well, if you got more issues, then here's some tissues! Guys, I'm about to pull up my McLaren. Guys, the driving was cool. Let's watch some YouTube. Guys, about 1 day ago, I got into an accident. Psych! Guys, I already know that you seen like the last time. Those legs were uncomfortable and useless. Guys, maybe a few hours it'll change into normal.
Forget it, my fish.
These skates are gone! Ah, it is some gata!